Pioneering a technological renaissance, Reliance's AI revolution. Mukesh Ambani, India's eminent business leader and chairman of Reliance Industries, is at the helm of a groundbreaking shift in the nation's technological arena. With inspiring foresight, he is driving transformative investments in artificial intelligence (AI) that transcend mere corporate objectives, aiming to elevate India's stature on the global technology map. Reliance Jio, his dynamic telecom enterprise, lies at the epicenter of this digital revolution. By channeling over $10 billion into cutting-edge AI data centers and bespoke AI solutions for the Indian market, Reliance is emerging as a formidable global tech contender, standing shoulder to shoulder with titans like Google and Microsoft. Jio's AI-driven innovations in network optimization and personalized customer experiences are redefining industry standards. Emphasizing inclusivity, its deployment of generative AI, especially large language models that embrace India's 22 official languages and 1,600 dialects, is democratizing technological access. This monumental step not only empowers communities but also encourages digital inclusion, portraying Reliance as a catalyst for societal advancement. Ambani's visionary strategy underlines the significance of ethical AI development and its profound socio-economic implications. By seamlessly integrating AI across pivotal sectors like healthcare, education, and agriculture, Reliance envisions the creation of over 1 million tech jobs by 2030, catalyzing a future brimming with opportunities for all. While challenges concerning data privacy and monopolistic tendencies emerge, these dialogues reinforce the importance of balancing progress with responsibility. As Ambani steers Reliance in pioneering this inspiring journey, investors are invited to be part of the narrative that is shaping India's digital destiny.